Hello, in this video we'll be talking about political parties. Now, a political party is defined as a group of people who have the same interests and beliefs with the aim of running a government. Now, there are various types of political parties. I'll start on number one, the elitist party. Now, the elitist party is made up of people from the high class or top class of society. These are sophisticated members, made up of sophisticated members. Then we'll talk about mass party. Now, unlike the elitist party, anybody can join the mass political party. You can have from a common bikeman to a learned doctor. We move on to broker party. Now, this is a kind of political party where the ad hoc members get members from society, from the high class of society and the low class of society. They make a mixture so that it becomes more appealing to the public. They can appeal to the needs of the public. We also have religious political party. Now, this is made up of members of religious societies like the Christian society or the Muslim society and any other religious society we have. And we have the charismatic party. Now, this party is made up of members of high charisma, of good reputation and good character. Now, let's talk about the functions of political party. Number one being that they appoint representatives for the state or the country. They do this by holding elections of their own, which are called primary elections. Whoever emerges victorious from these elections become their candidates that will run and try and achieve power. 2, they act as watchdogs to the activities of the government. 3, they act as a bridge that brings the people closer to the government. 4, they act as a disciplinary floor or disciplinary board that helps to discipline members of their own party when they go wrong. And 5, they help to give the electorate options of candidates that they can choose from, good options that they can choose from. In our next video, we shall be talking about party systems, the different types of party systems, the advantages and disadvantages of these party systems.